Hey everyone, Tyler Bristow here with CenterlineMapping.com. In this video I want to demonstrate how you can pair PointMan application with an RD8100 unit. So first thing I want to do is I'm going to turn the screen around and let you see what I'm looking at on the RD8100 unit. Okay, so I've got the RD8100 unit. First thing we want to do is we want to power it on. Okay, so let's push the power button and then we'll scroll down till we see BT, which stands for Bluetooth. Okay, so we're going to hit peak null button and it's on. Now what we want to do is go down here to pair. We're going to click the peak null button and we're going to make sure BT TAC PC is selected. So we'll select that one. We'll hit the frequency mode button, and as you can see, the Bluetooth pairing capabilities are turned on with that icon that's blinking right there on the screen. So now what we can do is we can tap the menu icon in PointMan. We'll go to settings. What we want to do is choose locator. So now I can choose the RD8100 locator, and I want to choose Radiodetection as manufacturer. Okay, and I'll close that out. So next thing that we want to do is go out into the field and collect points and lines using the RD8100 unit and attach some of the data that this unit logs to the points and lines that we're creating in PointMan. So let's go out into the field and see how that works and how data comes across into PointMan from the RD8100 unit. In this video, I'm going to do a quick demonstration on how you compare an RD8100 unit with the mobile PointMan application. I've already paired the two via Bluetooth back at the office where internet connection is a little bit better, and now the next thing we want to do is tell PointMan to use the RD8100 in the settings, and then what we can do is walk along the electrical cable that's already been located and painted and collect some spatial location. Add an electrical cable to the map, and we can take data off the RD8100 unit, such as your depths and frequencies. So let's go ahead and turn the camera around. I'll show you what I'm looking at. So we've got an electrical box right here with a electrical cable running along this street. So we're just going to go ahead and map that out. I'm going to turn the RD8100 unit on. It's in Bluetooth mode. So first thing we're going to want to do is tap the menu icon in the top left of PointMan and go into your settings. And what you want to do is, for underneath devices, you want to choose the locator that you're using. So I'm going to choose RD8100, and over here I'm going to choose Radiodetection for manufacturer. I'm going to tap close, and then what I want to do is I want to create an electrical cable, and I'm going to walk the cable out. So I'm going to tap new in the top right, and then I want to choose electrical, and I want to choose cable. So I'm going to tap OK. And now we're ready to collect the electrical cable using the RD8100 and PointMan. We're going to try and collect positions along the cable when we can retrieve the depths. So I'm going to demonstrate the depths that this RD8100 displays. We're going to tap the red graph button to collect the point, and it's going to pass information from the RD8100 to the PointMan application. So as you can see on the PointMan, we tap GPS. It's finding our GPS location on the map. It also says RD8100 ready. That means it's reading and it's ready to read data from the RD8100. So whenever you tap this button, it's going to add a point to the map, and it's going to pass information from the RD8100 to PointMan. So let's go ahead and click the first position. Okay, so we are standing here and I'm getting a depth of 3 feet 10 inches. So I'm going to go ahead and push the button. As you can see, it saves it and it's going to send it to PointMan. It's going to add a point to PointMan, and now let's continue walking along this electrical cable. As you can see, I've got a depth of about 4 now. Oh, down to 3. So I'm going to hold the RD8100. I'm going to push that button. It's going to send that position and data over to PointMan. Now I'm going to continue walking along this electrical cable. All right, we're going to collect the next position. I'm going to tap this button. This is going to be the third point that we're collecting. There you can see it added a third point to PointMan. Okay, so we're almost at the end of this electrical cable. We're going to collect a fourth position. I'm going to tap OK. And added a fourth point. As you can see, we're walking along. It's drawing this electrical cable out in PointMan. So I'm going to tap it one final time. And I'm going to tap finish. And that's going to finish that electrical cable out. So let's take a look in the pedigree of this electrical cable that we collected. Here's the information. It's got your locator, your depth, your current, your frequency, your latitude, and your longitude for each one of those points that we pushed this button on the RD8100. So I'm going to tap next, and as you can see, it's going to highlight that point blue. You can go through each one of those points and look at the data for them. Once again, this point has a depth of 3.5, and it's got your frequency and your current, so you can go through those pushing the next and previous button. Okay, so that's how you compare the RD8100 unit with the PointMan mobile application and collect electrical cable information or any other pipe or cable that you're mapping. So the final thing I want to demonstrate is how you can send this information back to your email. So you can tap send, and you can tap OK, and then you can send this to yourself in the format of photos and PDF files, KMZ files, KML files, shape files, and CSVs. So this is a quick video on how you can pair these two devices and quickly map out your electrical utilities or any utilities you need to map. So thank you very much for watching this video.